I know, I'm a little bit too late for this, but bear with me because this is going to be an exciting one. So yes, today I'm going to unbox the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute, and I've heard a lot of great things about this device. So do bear in mind this is not the latest vacuum that Dyson has launched because they already launched the Cyclone V11 this year. But since this thing has been sitting around in our office for quite some time now, I've decided to unbox this thing. So this device here is priced at 2,999 ringgit. So let's check out what's inside the box. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first thing you'll see is this really thick operating manual. And there are also some safety guides. Yep, there's a lot of safety guides inside. So you can read this if you need it. If you don't know how to install the vacuum, just like me, I think I probably need this, but let's put this aside first. And oops. So there's two things beside here. This is the Crevice Tool. So this is best for you to vacuum places that are super tight, like very narrow area. And there's a combination tool. So you can switch between a soft brush and also a hard surface. So you can switch between these two. Depends on where you are actually vacuuming. So for this place, right, you can actually vacuum hard surfaces so you won't actually scratch the floor. So next thing, okay, this is obviously the wand. Ta-da! This is the wand. Oh, I can't believe this is actually very light. Next, this is so exciting. So this is the docking station. You can actually put the wires inside here, so it's much more organized. And you can actually insert all your attachments here. So you can insert the attachments here. So this is pretty interesting. There is also a manual to teach you how to mount this docking station onto your wall. So next we have our mini soft dusting brush, which I cannot open. Hold on. Ta-da! Mini soft dusting brush. So fluffy. And okay. This is obviously the charger. Then, oh, this is super heavy. Another fluffy attachment. Okay, so this is the soft roller cleaner head. This is best for you to vacuum larger chunks of things like your cereal or biscuits, you know. Next. More attachments, people. More attachments. Okay, wait. So this is unlike the previous one. So this is the direct drive cleaner head. It's also best for larger chunk stuff. The difference between this and this is that this one is best for you to actually vacuum harder surfaces so you won't scratch your floor. And this one you can just vacuum at carpets, I guess. Yeah, carpets. Oh, there's something inside. Oh god. And this is a mini motorized brush. So you can use this to vacuum smaller places such as your furniture or even carpets will do fine. Lastly, we have this, the brain behind the whole operation. Oh wait. Chill, man, chill. Okay, so this is the brain behind the whole operation, and I actually have no idea how this thing works. But I guess you can detach this thing and you can place it in the dustbin and you just wobble everything, then the dust will come off. Okay, I need to stop pressing this thing. You get the idea, okay. So this thing is powered by a Dyson Digital V10, so this makes the whole thing much more lighter and more powerful. And this vacuum here is so powerful that Dyson has decided to give up on making cordless vacuums. And on a single charge, this vacuum can give you 60 minutes of vacuum time, which is probably enough for vacuuming the whole house. So let's give this thing a shot. Okay, so let's clean this office up. So basically there's 6 attachments in total, but I'm not gonna use everything because it actually depends on which area you're vacuuming. So now, let's try this first. This is the soft roller cleaner head. So this basically allows you to vacuum larger chunks of things like biscuits. Okay, I guess we need to clean that up now. Okay, and now let's try this. This is the Crevice Tool. So judging by its appearance, we already know that this thing allows you to vacuum tighter places or places that you can't reach. So let's check out how this works. Last but not least, we have the mini motorized tool. So this allows you to clean more specific places like your furniture or even carpets. So that was some intense vacuuming. So to clean the vacuum up, all you have to do is to unlock this red bin release button and you can clear the dust directly into a dustbin. Okay, so that's my experience of using the Dyson Cyclone V10, and I love it because it's super powerful and it allows you to vacuum super tight places. But do bear in mind, because this Cyclone V10 actually costs 2,999 ringgit, which is around 3,000 ringgit. But I think it is a pretty good investment considering that it cleans up the place super clean. So that's my unboxing and hands-on on the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute. So what do you think of this vacuum? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that we informed whenever we post a new video. And remember to check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!